inside the SpaceX headquarters. Welcome to Tech Bang, where you get up-to-date information on what's happening in the world of technology. In today's video, we will be looking inside SpaceX headquarters. This will include the facilities the headquarters has, as well as the workforce that supports the giant space exploration company. Okay then, let us get to the video. The SpaceX company was founded by the innovative CEO of Tesla and the Boring Company, Elon Musk, in 2002. One of the goals of the company, according to Elon Musk, is to minimize the cost of space travel while improving the efficacy of access to space. Since the company's founding almost 2 decades ago, SpaceX has made more than a few achievements in the field of space exploration. These achievements include the Space Exploration Company being the first private company to launch a liquid propellant rocket when it launched the Falcon 1 in 2008, the first private company to launch and successfully recover a spacecraft named the Dragon in 2010. The private company was also the first to reuse an orbital rocket in 2015, another orbital rocket in 2017, when it reused the Falcon 9 on both occasions. SpaceX is also the first private space company to send astronauts to orbit and then to the International Space Station when they sent the SpaceX crew of Dragon Demo 2 last year. Also last year, SpaceX witnessed one of the biggest achievements when Starlink constellation became the largest satellite constellation in the world early in 2020. SpaceX is also developing a launch system to aid in interplanetary space travel. It's called a Starship, and is to be privately funded and fully reusable. The Starship is slated to become the Space Corporation's primary orbital vehicle, replacing the Falcon and Dragon spaceships. The Starship will also feature the largest payload capacity when it becomes operational. Naturally, to achieve what it has, the SpaceX company makes use of state-of-the-art facilities as well as highly qualified staff to complement these facilities. In this video, we shall look at the impressive space headquarters facilities as well as the people who form the pillars of the company, without which none of the achievements would have been possible. The headquarters of SpaceX is situated in Los Angeles, California, where the comfortable weather makes it an ideal location to keep the facility operational. The headquarters operates on a massive scale, with an enormous landmass that ranges over 400,000 square feet, all of which has been optimized to ensure that all areas of the facility are in use. The Mission Control Building provides software engineers with the platform to test and run different AI simulators that are essential for controlling and communicating with spacecrafts when they venture into space. The Mission Control Center is equipped with state-of-the-art computer networks and software that enable the engineers to run all the necessary programs that would aid the space exploration company in prediction and information collection, among many other space-related activities. The Mission Control Building also has large glass windows that give the staff of SpaceX a good view of the rockets launching. The manufacturing building is another interesting part of the SpaceX facility. The area is something out of a rocket engineer's dream, equipped with top-of-the-line engineering tools that enable the space company to build and assemble rocket parts with the tireless effort of highly trained engineers. The impressive SpaceX facility is reputed for the fast construction of spacecrafts, completing construction in the SpaceX headquarters, as well as any other branch of SpaceX, within 72 hours, which notably outperforms the old NASA production time that could sometimes take up to a month to build a single spaceship. Another intriguing part of the SpaceX headquarters that would surely please the humanitarian critics is the test control area of SpaceX headquarters. In this center, all moving parts produced by the company will go through a series of thorough stress tests, courtesy of the company's stress testing facilities. The stress-tested rocket parts are put through different environments and situations to see if they can hold up in even the harshest conditions. This aspect of the company is quite important because it deals directly with the safety of the space explorers on the company's payroll, so it comes as a relief to see that safety concerns are well met. Another honorable mention would be the office of CEO billionaire Elon Musk. At the mention of a billionaire's office, what would come to mind is a secluded luxury office. You know the type, but this is not the case. In fact, it is quite the opposite. Elon Musk, more often than not, uses the workspace of his employees. He claims that being closer to the engineers and staff is a more effective way to work, since there are no barriers between him and his workforce. That way, he can get much more done in a short amount of time. Also, Elon Musk has been known to sleep on the floor of his office from time to time, if you can believe that. There is no doubt the SpaceX headquarters is a nice workplace, and of course, the pay would not be half bad either. So understandably, getting employment into SpaceX is not a walk in the park. The space company will only hire those at the apex of their field with a passion for the work they do, to go along with their high levels of expertise. The interview process is said to be tough, with less than 10% making it through the interview process, and even less than half of that ends up employed by the space company. Furthermore, the United States government considers space exploration technology as advanced weaponry. Due to this, SpaceX only employs American citizens so that it can avoid any controversy or clash with the government. The SpaceX headquarters adopts a work hard, play hard philosophy. This is because while the workspace of SpaceX is demanding, it is also fun. The American aerospace manufacturer has several open cafeterias for their staff. The company also provides its staff with a host of fun activities that creates room for friendly interaction with other staff members. The Space Transport Services Company also provides schooling facilities for the children of employees. The school is named Ad Astra, and it is the brainchild of Elon Musk, who equipped the place to be fit for top-notch learning with artificial intelligence. Elon Musk even went as far as waiving the tuition for SpaceX employee children who attend the school. Despite having arguably one of the best space facilities in the world, the Space Corporation is still looking to a future where human life goes beyond Earth and into space. SpaceX seeks to build even more facilities, and not just here on Earth, but also on out-of-the-world places like the Moon and also Mars. The Space Exploration Company has an ambitious goal, but with the track record they have already racked up in the field of space travel, it's hard not to take their claims seriously. What do you think about SpaceX and its headquarters? Do you know of other interesting facts about the headquarters that we might have missed or omitted? Let us know in the comment section. Also, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share the video with your friends if you like this content. Once again, this is Tech Bang. Thank you and see you in the next video.